What if your money could pay you without you lifting a finger? That's the power of dividends. In this video, I'll show you how the rich use dividends to earn passive income, and how you can too. What is a dividend? A dividend is money paid to shareholders from a company's profits. Think of it as a reward for investing in a business. If you own shares in, you get a small cash payment every 3 months just for holding them. Companies like Apple. How does it work? Let's say you own 100 shares of a company that pays $1 per share each year. That's $100 in passive income without lifting a finger. Now imagine reinvesting that. That's called the snowball effect. Your money starts working for you. Money to buy more stocks. Why the rich love dividends? Dividends offer stability. Even if the stock price drops, dividends often keep coming. Rich people use dividends to live comfortably, reinvest more, and create generational wealth. Want to build passive income like a tycoon? Start learning how to invest in dividend stocks today. Subscribe for more videos on wealth building, smart investing, and money mindset. Your future self will thank you.